This is the exact email thousands of publishers receive from Google AdSense. You apply for the program, wait for a review, and get hit with a low-value content rejection that provides zero actionable feedback on what you actually did wrong. To understand why this happens, we have to translate Google's terminology. When their automated reviewers scan your site and flag it as low value, it means they found a lack of core trust signals and zero organic human traffic. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to fix that. We will add the mandatory trust signals Google requires, and then build an automated Pinterest traffic engine to prove real humans are engaging with your content. Before we begin, make sure you have a live website, a free Canva account, and a free Pinterest business profile. And most importantly, do not panic and do not delete your existing articles. Surviving this rejection requires a targeted approach, feeding the algorithm the specific trust and traffic signals Google looks for. Step 1 is establishing your legal baseline. Your site must have 4 specific pages live and accessible: an about page, a contact page, a privacy policy, and an FTC disclosure. Take a look at this website footer structure. By placing the About, Contact, Privacy, and Disclosure links down here, Googlebot can find them instantly from any page it crawls. Google evaluates sites using the EEAT framework: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. If you are missing those legal pages, your site automatically fails the trust metric. Next, you must audit your existing articles. Locate any posts under 400 words, along with any text that was scraped from other sites or generated by AI without heavy editing. Take those short posts and expand them between 800 and 1500 words. Add charts, include real-world examples, and break up dense blocks of text with clear heading structures. Securing these legal pages and deepening your content establishes your site as a verified, authoritative publisher in Google's database. Now we need to solve the traffic problem. AdSense requires proof of real human visitors. While waiting for traditional SEO to rank your site, Pinterest is the fastest platform to generate organic traffic. Go into your Pinterest settings and convert your standard account into a free business account. This unlocks the analytics tools you will need to track your incoming visitors. By typing niche topics into Pinterest search bar, you reveal high-intent autocomplete suggestions. Take those phrases and create 10 to 15 boards named exactly after them, like healthy breakfast recipes. This aligns your content perfectly with Pinterest's recommendation algorithm. Treating Pinterest strictly as a search engine builds an automated, highly targeted pipeline of human visitors directly to your blog. This comparison shows the strict visual rules you need to follow. Create 3 to 5 unique pins for every blog post, using a strict 2 to 3 vertical ratio, which is 1000 by 1500 pixels. When writing the text for these pins, do not stuff keywords or dump long lists of hashtags. Write natural 2-sentence descriptions that naturally incorporate your target phrases. Next, schedule your deployment. Consistently set up 1 to 4 pins to post each day. Here is how that consistency pays off. Daily pinning slowly builds momentum until it results in steady daily outbound traffic heading back to your blog. Maintain this routine until you see approximately 100 daily organic visitors hitting your site directly from Pinterest. Disciplined pin engineering generates a consistent flow of real human traffic, providing the behavioral proof Google needs to approve the site. Now that your trust and traffic signals are active, return to your AdSense dashboard and click Request Review. If you have followed these steps, you will eventually receive this email, confirming your site is finally approved and ready to display ads. Your initial revenue per mil, or RPM, might be low at first. Google's machine learning needs a few weeks to evaluate your newly approved site's audience. While waiting for AdSense to optimize, drop Amazon affiliate links into your highest trafficked posts. This monetizes your Pinterest audience immediately and proves user buying intent. Fixing these specific technical flags satisfies Google's requirements and establishes a site structure capable of supporting multiple revenue streams.